The special prosecutor told the family of 45-year-old Aaron Bailey of the decision not to file charges late this afternoon.
That is devastating news for the family that has said all along that they believed excessive force was used in that shooting that dates back to June 29th. Tonight we have team coverage of the decision and also reaction to it. So let's start tonight with the decision and our Crime Beat reporter Steve Jefferson.
Yeah, we've been sorting through a 16-page document released by the special prosecutor why he decided that no charges will be filed against officers Howard and Denson in the shooting death last June for Aaron Bailey. Officer Howard's Endo document says that Aaron Bailey did not use a turn signal last June while changing lanes to make a turn, and that gave him probable cause to pull him over. The officer said after pulling him over, he ran his license plate, and it came back that it came back that Bailey was suspended. Bailey admitted to the Officer Howard, that he was suspended. Officer Howard says he told Bailey it's no big deal and we'll handle it. During that traffic stop, the officer ran information. He found out that Bailey had prior convictions and was a suspect in multiple robberies. Now, he also ran Bailey's passenger's name. She came back as being monitored in a homicide case, and there were instructions on the computer, the police computer, to detain her and contact a homicide detective at IMPD headquarters. Now, officers returned to the car, according to these documents, and asked Bailey to step out of the car. Instead, he reportedly took off. Officer Denson eventually served as the backup officer on the traffic stop. Officer Howard repeatedly told Bailey, according to these documents, and his passenger to show their hands after they crashed their car. Now, we're told that the passenger did so, but Bailey started going through the center console and then eventually turned toward the officers. And that's when the officers opened fire. One officer fired 6 shots. Another officer fired 5 shots. We do know that Bailey was struck 4 times, according to the autopsy. Now, the officers radioed in at that time that they had been involved in a police action shooting. Again, there are 16 pages to this document released by the special prosecutor. Once again, officers Howard and Denson will not face criminal charges. And once again, the special prosecutor said there's nothing in the investigation that basically goes against the fact that they felt like they had to defend themselves since Bailey was reportedly going through the console, and they feared for their lives and ended up firing their service weapons. Back to you in the studio.
All right, thank you. That's Steve Jefferson downtown tonight. Now, Aaron Bailey's family members say they are stunned, though not surprised, by this decision. Our team coverage continues now with David McAnally, who is with the family tonight. Dave?
John, just a few moments ago, Erica, who was Aaron Bailey's daughter, finished a very emotional news conference here at the family's attorney's office on the near north side. She said that her faith in the system has been shaken by this. She feels that justice has not been done. Here's some of what she had to say.
I just feel like today when they told me that the cops was going home, I felt like somebody else would get killed. I don't feel like if cops feel like they should just shoot somebody unarmed because they're scared, then don't be an officer. But now I feel like y'all going out here again, and I'm just so tore up. And other people might be in danger when we're supposed to trust the law. And right now that's really hard to do.
One of the other points that she made was she believes that the city police department should fire these 2 officers. She also believes that, and they are continuing, the family is, with their civil suit. She also believes that any demonstration should continue to be peaceful. She says she has always kept her opposition to the city's actions peaceful, and she hopes that that will continue to be the case. One important thing to get here, too, that Steve Jefferson mentioned a moment ago, there's going to be a big disagreement over was he going through this console that would have put the officers at heightened concern. The police, the prosecutors say yes. The family says no, that the way he was hit, he would not have been able to go through there. They also feel that when he hit that tree in the pursuit, that once that airbag deployed, he was so rattled up by things that he could not possibly even hear the police officer yelling him to show hands, to show hands. The passenger who was in the car is quoted in the court papers saying that she could not hear the officers saying show hands, because of the impact of the airbags going off. So some of the points that will be sifted over the coming days here. We'll have more tonight on the Night Beat. David McAnally, Channel 13 Eyewitness News. Back to you, John and Ann.
All right, thank you, David.
Even though the officers so far will not face any criminal charges in the case, the FBI says the case remains open. They sent us this statement about an hour ago saying, quote, the FBI will review all available evidence and facts and will conduct additional investigative steps where appropriate. We are coordinating with the U.S. Attorney's Office and the Department of Justice to determine whether or not a violation of civil rights has occurred, end quote.
Now, there have been several protests and organized marches calling for charges against these officers.
Our team coverage continues tonight at 5 o'clock with Rich Van Wyk and also the 10-Point Coalition's reaction to the announcement made late this afternoon.
And word of the decision spread quickly throughout the community. Reaction from Reverend Charles Harrison, a well-known community leader, was quick and to the point. This is what he had to say.
Disappointed because I think most people that I have talked to felt like that this was a bad shooting by the police, that it was a bad shooting. And certainly in the African American community, they were hoping that this would lead to charges being filed against the officers. So I think some people are going to certainly be upset and dismayed about the decision today.
Reverend Harrison hopes this isn't the end of it. He's hoping for administrative action to be taken against the officers. If they didn't break the law, perhaps they broke an IMPD policy and can be disciplined. Perhaps we'll hear more from that from Chief Roach tomorrow. In the meantime, Harrison is asking people to stay calm and avoid violence. We'll hear more from him at 6. John?
All right, thank you. That's Rich Van Wyk downtown tonight. Now, here is the recap of this story. Aaron Bailey died on June 29th when 2 officers opened fire on the car he was in after a chase. About 2 weeks later, on July 11th, the FBI opened its own investigation. Then on August 10th, Bailey's family shared new evidence with us, including photos of his car and the autopsy report. Marion County Prosecutor Terry Curry appointed a special prosecutor on August 22nd, and Bailey's family filed a lawsuit against the city a month later on September 22nd. Then today, more than 4 months later, we have this decision on the charges clearing the officers.
And now